was going to work on this at home, but as you can see, we got another bed frame. And I'm going to build a thing. That's no good. I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut it off right about here. Yeah. Let's get started, because I'm going to build a thing.
Alright, we're live today. We're from Stuart, Florida. How's everybody doing?
Pretty quick. I'm sure it's gonna be hot. I was using this to kind of hold my phone in there. Yeah. Yes, do this one-handed, right? Come on, Mau Mau. Get the Mau Mau. This sucks. Let's put some film on this stuff. There we go. Alright. This is a welding view screen thingy. Kind of what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna get this marked, right? Okay. That'll work here. Yes, I want to go wider than it. I don't think I need to be wider than this. Alright. Look at that. Oh, what's he making? Oh, probably not even filming it. No, I'm not. No, I am filming it. Ha, alright. I is filming it. Oh, hey, man. Oh, you're punch me. Alright. Oh, get clamping, huh? Yeah. A little too tight.
This was called Race Car Driver! Keep that boxing shit up, alright? My mama said she was no good. My mama said she was. It's a race car driver, she likes to get around. Loves to get over, she likes to get down. She races round the track, she crashes around the corner. Takes her around the corner, she crashes into the wall. Takes her downtown, she crashes whole lot of attitude.
A little better. I'll clean that up a little bit. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is I'm going to get a welding shield and I'm going to mount the camera to this thing right about here. And up here we're going to drill some holes there and there. And we get another piece of metal to go right there. And then the welding shield goes there, or probably about here, because it'll stop where the bolts are, right? Camera behind that. Then I can film welding and you'll be able to see the puddle. It should work, probably. We'll find out. Tools I'm going to need: tape measure, edge marker. I don't have a center punch, so I'm just going to use a nail. It'll be fine. Hammond, hammer, cordless drill, baby batteries for the cordless drill. So I got my metal pieces. That was the second piece I cut. This is the first piece I cut. Remember the bed frame? And we got this a little more squared off at the shop. So I'm just going to measure this. I'm going to put a hole right here, about halfway. So we'll get that measured. We're right at 4.5 inches. We know that's going to be a hole at about 2 1/4. Okay. How about that? That's what we need from that. So we marked it halfway. Set this puppy up on the anvil. Right. And we're going to hammer this son of a bitch. I'm going to use a nail on it, get a center point, or center punch it with the nail. Right. Get my head in the phones. I don't need to be perfect, but at least close enough. Now, does the nail work? That did not work at all. That's some pretty hard steel. Alright, I know where this center punch, but it's bent, and I don't like a bent center punch. But I guess I'm going to have to use it anyway. I don't know how somebody can bend all these center punches like that. Take it to work and straighten it. That's just horrible. Yes. That did it. Alright, I'll take this to work. Maybe I can straighten it without breaking it. I don't know. Well, maybe try something else. I don't like none of them moves. How about that? I don't like drilling this way. I'd get more pressure if I could push down on it, but this way will work just fine. Good enough. Sorry, nothing backlit around here, but these things do work better with the battery. And maybe some bits. How about that? Might want to get the box that actually has the bits in it. This is milder steel, so I'm going to start with a decent size hole. It's not exactly 1/4 1/4 is the biggest I got. Damn. I think this is going to be a bigger hole than 1/4. I'm hoping. If not, I got to go hunt down a bit that I probably don't have. But we We shall not find out. Put it in the right direction. Hopefully I'm not walking too much. Yeah. I think this would be better with a little pilot hole. This is a little stronger steel than I thought it was. Let's go down a little bit and we'll just do a little pilot. It could be that that bit is also wore out. It's almost there. I'm sure a bit is hot. Yeah, wax would be nice. Cutting wax would be nice. This sucks without some oil. Could be my bits of the color and shit. It looks a lot. Oh, there we go. All right. Now life will get a little bit easier. I can step it up. We'll step it up a notch. So it was closer than I thought it was. This will make life a little easier. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna chip this shit right out, see? Look at that. Probably have to go that fast. Look at that, right through it. Now we're going to step up to a quarter. Now if I tried to do that with this bit, yeah, that would have been a lot more problematic. And this is a harder bit here. It's still got the sound a little dull. Yep, that's gonna be, I'm gonna find some oil. Screw this. That's gonna, even with that bit, it's gonna take a while. Yep. Took me a minute. I had to find a little bit of motor oil and a Q-tip because I don't have a brush, but hopefully this will cut down on all that squealing and chattering. I think I'm gonna have to invest in some new bits. These things are like 5-6 years old, maybe 10. I think they're closer to 10. This is what we're wanting. Yep. Doing this the hard way, but that's what it is. This one's dull. Ah. Woo, this bit is dull. That's what it is. Well, now you know, folks. So you drill a good size hole with using some bits and one of these. I mean, this thing's tiny. I mean, look at that. So yeah, that's some really thick steel. It's almost an 1/8 inch thick. That's great. We shall remove this from the vise. There we go. Not too shabby. Done with the home drill. I will need to drill actually 4 more holes, believe it or not. So down the road I'm gonna need a hole here. I'm gonna need a hole here, another one over here. Yeah. And then on my second piece, ditto, hole there, hole there. Then we're gonna take these 2 pieces, we're gonna mount them like so. And that way I got a slip bracket, we'll put a piece of glass in there, and you'll kind of get the idea. Yeah, we're getting there. Well, alright folks, it's getting cold, it's getting late. I need to eat and go to bed. I will pick this up tomorrow. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button if you like content like this. And I will see you next time. Or the next time I get working on this. Alright, until next time. Later, y'all.